Okay, I switched cameras again. I need to just remember to charge them. Got my coffee. I'm gonna put a little bit of makeup on just so I feel like I'm awake and feel productive. I want to do a Q&A soon, real soon. I'll probably post something. So I used to use that Halloween candy dish for my makeup, but ended up getting a lot of wear and tear where some of the sides were cracking and it was kind of peeling open. Found some baskets that I really like that sit on a wire. You won't be able to see it right now, but this is like the top basket and it sits on a wire rack and you can just like, you're able to move it in and out like a drawer. I've used it for my bathroom, which I've cleaned my bathroom. You guys will be so proud of me. It was a mess in the last video. I'll have to show it to you now. I decided to put my makeup in this just because it's a little bit sturdier. I'm sure I'll get back to another Halloween bowl again, but I like it because I can put my mirror in there. I can put all my makeup bags. I was keeping my makeup brushes out. Sometimes I get kind of weary about that just because of bacteria and like people using the bathroom, but I'm the only one that uses my bathroom. The toilet lid is down when I flush it, so I don't have to worry about gross germs getting on my face brushes. Let me put them in the basket for a little bit just to see how I like that, and it seems to be doing a pretty decent job in there. So I just wanted to share that little organization thing that I've done for myself and my sanity. I guess I'm gonna do my makeup and charge this battery as well. So it's a little bit later. I finally uploaded my new video and I'm getting some comments of support and encouragement and I started crying. So thank you so much, and I hate that some of you are also feeling the same way. Some of you guys mentioned, have I thought about talking to a therapist? And I actually have, in the process of finding someone to talk to. Still working. There was something, oh, did I tell you guys that I wanted to do like, okay, so in my last video I talked about maybe creating another channel of just some other stuff that I'm interested in, and some of you guys liked the idea of that, and then some of you guys also talked about maybe revamping my channel, like just doing that, just doing all of those other things on this channel. And the thing is, like, YouTube doesn't really promote Halloween stuff because it's classified as like scary and horror, and they tend to knock down any kind of channels related to like that stuff throughout the year, unless like you do popular videos like a Spirit Halloween or like a Halloween haul. But other than that, like, they kind of keep you buried below. So I just wanted to try something new, but like I said, I don't know if I'll do those new videos on this channel or if I want to start a new channel. I don't know. I mean, I would still do my Halloween Happy channel, but I don't know. It's just, that's me slowly like tipping the ball to get started, to think about it. I think I need to make another cup. This is too bright. Exposure. I need to find out, this camera has like a face filter, like it softens it, and I don't really like how it looks. But anyway, that's besides the point. I'm obsessed with like voice memo. Instead of texting, I just send like audio clips of me talking, and it's like the best thing ever. Let me know, do you guys do that, or do you take the time to text? Because texting takes too long for me. It'll be time before we know it to start a new planner for 2021. This is my Halloween Happy one. If you guys weren't familiar with that, I do one every year and just make it Halloweenish, which is really fun. I forgot that I got a few of these notebooks last year because I wanted to decorate them. This is what I've been putting, like my self-care, what I've been eating. Like, I'm trying to be more mindful for that because I was doing such a good job in the summertime. I started running just because I was really stressed out with work, and it helped just relieve some of that stress and anxiety. And I was doing so good. I think I was running for like 3 months, I want to say, and I just, even though it was tough on my knees, like I felt really good. I could breathe. The weather was nice. Like once October came, I just got slammed with work, and then November, of course, it kind of cools down. And if you have asthma like I do, the temperature can't be too warm and it can't be too cold. It has to be like right in the middle, like in that sweet spot to where your lungs don't burn with it being too cold, and then your lungs aren't suffocating because it's too warm. Yeah, so I started walking on the treadmill again. It's hard to take care of yourself. Let me know if you can relate. I found this planner at TJ Maxx. So I think it was Home Goods, and it's a possum plans one. It's so cute. It has all these dogs on it. I bought this thinking that I would HIY it. I really was excited on the inside because it gives you the little stickers, which is always nice. I think I'm gonna make my own stickers too. I have this page, it just has a lot of note-taking and reminder coffee date stickers. Be kind, do not forget, make today count. Here we just have like some little circular stickers and some little tabs to write stuff on. This page is fun, just a lot of cute little inspirational, motivational sayings. I just haven't found like the right planner layout for me. I like it when it shows the whole month overview, and then I also like when it shows each weekday. But this one I thought was really nice. And for each month, it gives you like a little inspirational quote. Here you have notes and then also to do. Breaks it down into the days of the week. So I like it that it has this grid, this plain grid right here, and then also this lined column so you can write stuff on it and then you can add whatever over here. I like these dividers because I can definitely take these out. I can craft on them, make them spooky and whatnot. You guys know how I am with planners. So I ended up finding another one, the elastic here, and again, I can HIY on top of this, and it's black and white, so I wouldn't have to change too much about it. So I got this one from Target. So this is the sugar paper. I've had a few of their planners in the past. So it has this year's wish list, which would be a goal list. So you have personal goals, then health goals, also work, and financial goals. So it just breaks it down by each week. You have a to-do, to call, to email, to buy, this week's goals. I have at least 2 planners. I have one for Halloween Happy, and then I have one for my job. So either way, both of them will be used. This is my tripod right now because I can't find my handheld one. Are any of you guys currently burning anything? If so, let me know. Taking Raven for a walk real quick. Hey guys, so it's a little bit later. I'm getting ready to go to bed. I was hoping that I would have some time to do a few little odds and ends. I am proud of myself because, so I was talking about running earlier, and so I was on the treadmill. I was like, let me see what I can do, just kind of like push myself a little bit. So I started running tonight just to kind of see where I was at with taking so much time off from running. I feel like when you, I don't know, like losing a week feels so different when you get back into it, and then knowing that, imagining what it was gonna feel like a few months after getting back into it. I will say I'm pretty proud of myself. Not only did I run 2.5 miles, I think I could have pushed myself a little harder, but I didn't have my inhaler, so I didn't want to test my luck. Good morning, guys. Just woke up and got out of the shower. Raven's hanging out over there. Oh, I can't breathe today. One more lamp, Raven. Pretty girl. I'm excited. More of the Christmas cookie. Then add a little bit of this eggnog. This is a dairy-free eggnog by Silk. It's so good. Guys, I'm so tired. Okay, I'm not so tired, I'm just sleepy. I saw that everyone's starting Vlogmas on YouTube, and I'm like, I want to do Vlogmas, but I just feel like there's not much to do to make Vlogmas interesting. Relax, you just now started uploading again. Don't push it. Don't push it. So like I said earlier, I have to go into the office today to actually go out of the house and enjoy looking at outside. So I started doing a thing recently. If I'm like, it's not in my budget, which is reasonable, but if it's like I'll try to reason to why I don't like need things or deserve things, you know. I always feel like I'm in a rush even though I don't have. Even though I'm not in a rush, it's like my brain just tricks me, I guess. And so I started to try to kind of chill and just enjoy the small things in life. Even though I feel like I've always enjoyed the small things in life. I don't need a lot. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but if I have time, like when I'm leaving in the morning, I'm like, I don't have time to like put on my Christmas tree, to put on my lights. I don't have time to watch something that I enjoy that's going to make me laugh or that's going to inspire me. Like I just need to go and do this and go to work and get ready or whatever. But I'm trying to take the time and do little things that actually do have some kind of impact. It may be small, but it all adds up eventually. Anyways, I'm rambling, but I've started to light a candle when I get ready in the mornings. I know I do it when I stay home to work, but I also do it when I go into the office. I put it right there in front of my face so I remember to blow it out before I leave. Let me know in the comments below, what little small things have you guys been enjoying in life? Also, my friend Crystal from back home, she sent me a Snapchat, and Wichita is getting snow right now and I'm so jealous. Here in Massachusetts we got snow, I want to say at the beginning of November. It was so beautiful. I love snow so much. I think I have a greater appreciation for it because I don't really drive in it. Thankfully, but I love it so much. And last night we were taking Raven out, and you know when you go outside and it's like the air just smells it smells cold. I know that's not right, but it smells cold, it smells crisp, it smells like snow, just very clean and icy. I love that smell, and when we were out with Raven last night, that's what it smelled like, and it just like invigorates my soul pretty much. Like looking on my planner, I'm like, did I get everything done from work yesterday? I think so. So trying to get all the water that I can. Post onto my stories because Raven's birthday was in October. And like I said, guys, it's just been crazy. I made her a little cake and then I got her little photos taken. Yeah, I'll have to post the photos on Instagram and the recipe that I did because it is dog friendly and it smelled really good. Raven really liked it. Joey, who I work with, who is like such a creative soul, they do photography, and so they were offering like mini sessions for pets. So I was like, Joey, I need you to take photos of Raven, and they are so cute. I'm so glad I have those. After seeing them, I'm like, why didn't I do this with Denali? Like it's so cute. Anyways, I'm glad that I have those photos of Raven. Enough rambling, I'm going to get ready for the day. Let me know what your morning routine is. Like, are you in a rush when you get up in the morning, or do you take your time? Just take your time and glide through your morning off to work. I feel like your morning sets the tone for the rest of your day, so I really try to have a good morning. Hi guys, so I just realized I'm editing the vlog that you're watching now and I didn't do an outro, so I just wanted to say bye and thank you so much for watching because I'm currently vlogging in this day. Thanks so much for watching. If you guys liked this video, please help me out and give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and please hit your notifications bell. That way you know when I do upload a new video, and you can follow me on Instagram. It's @HalloweenHappy. I hope this video finds you having a Halloween happy kind of day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!